Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the geometrical meaning of angular momentum. Here we'll discuss that in geometrical interpretation or geometrical sense. What do we mean by angular momentum? Okay, so we know that angular momentum is a quantity which is related with rotational motion, circular motion. So of course the things are rotating when we discuss the angular momentum. So suppose this is the Cartesian system of axes, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and a body is undergoing the rotation. Suppose k is its initial position and then the position goes to L and then the position goes to M, and that's how the body is rotating. So if you complete the parallelogram, okay, so OK vector is equal to R vector. And then the displacement happens, which is equal to dr vector, and the overall position vector with respect to L is r vector plus dr vector. Okay, so if you want to find out the area which has been swept by the position vector when the body had undergone the rotation from K to L, like the body moved from K to L, right? It rotated. So the area which was swept by the position vector, let's find out that. We know that area can be calculated by the magnitude of cross product. Cross product has a geometrical interpretation that whenever we find the magnitude of cross product, then that gives the area of the triangle and half the area of parallelogram. So it's as simple as that. So the area swept will be equal to area of triangle OKL, which is half of the area of the parallelogram OKLM. And what is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height, OK vector cross OM vector. And this is equal to the magnitude of the cross product, right? So OK vector is equal to R vector, OM vector is equal to dr vector, because OM is parallel and opposite to KL vector. So that's why if this is dr vector, this will also be dr vector. So it's as simple as that. OM vector is written as dr vector. If you differentiate on both the sides, it becomes dA by dt. This becomes dr by dt, right? So after that, what is going to happen? dA by dt, it's written as it is. Take this 2 over here, and then this r vector is written as it is. This dr vector by dt, it's displacement per unit time. And this is nothing but velocity vector, right? And we know that the linear momentum is written as p vector equals to mv vector, and v vector is equal to linear momentum upon mass. So in place of velocity, just substitute p vector upon m. Take this m to the other side, this becomes 2m dA by dt equals to r vector cross p vector. R vector cross p vector, this is a cross product, and we know that from the expression of angular momentum in polar coordinates, we had studied that L is equal to rp sine phi, right? So L was equal to r vector cross p vector, right? So we'll put it here that r vector cross p vector is L vector. So L vector has come out to be equal to 2m dA by dt. So L vector is equal to 2m dA by dt. So this is the geometrical interpretation of angular momentum, that angular momentum is numerically equal to the areal velocity. Areal velocity is dA by dt. If you take displacement upon time, that's linear velocity. If you take dA by dt, that is area upon time, that is areal velocity. So angular momentum is numerically equal to 2m into dA by dt. So what do we mean by all this derivation? That if we have a rotating body, right? So what is the angular momentum? We have to see that what area the rotating body has swept. That area in a particular time interval dt will be numerically equal to angular momentum, right? So with what momentum the body is moving. तो इससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि जितना ज़्यादा एरिया स्वेप्ट होगा, एरिया स्वीप होगा एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी के थ्रू, उतना ही ज़्यादा उसका एंगुलर मोमेंटम होगा. सो एंगुलर मोमेंटम मीन्स हाउ फास्टर द बॉडी इज एक्चुअली रोटेटिंग, राइट, multiplied by its mass. So when the area swept is more, like if this position vector is sweeping more and more area, ठीक है, पहले ये यहाँ था एंड देन ये यहाँ हो गया तो एरिया ज़्यादा स्वीप हो गया. तो जितना ज़्यादा एरिया स्वीप होगा ऑफकोर्स उतना ही ज़्यादा मोमेंटम से बॉडी आगे आगे रोटेट कर रही होगी. सो दैट मेक्स सेंस दैट L इज इक्वल टू 2m इंटू dA by dt. So this is geometrical interpretation of angular momentum. Thank you.